This is a final video to fix Roblox game closing nonstop on PC. And if you've been getting frustrated with Roblox crashing every few minutes, you're not alone. Many players face this problem because of outdated graphics drivers, conflicting software, or corrupted game files that make Roblox unstable. You might have tried other fixes on YouTube or social media, but they are long, confusing, and don't always work. On Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that actually stops Roblox from closing unexpectedly. All you need to do is check your PC's graphics driver, clear the Roblox cache, and make sure no other programs are interfering while you play. This method works fast, it's easy to follow, and you don't need any complicated tools. If you want a full step-by-step guide showing exactly what to click and where, comment below, and I'll make a detailed tutorial just for you.